Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Delta SkyMiles and how you can earn miles to fly for free. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just starting your journey with Delta, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Sign up for Delta SkyMiles. The first thing you need to do is sign up for the Delta SkyMiles program. You can easily register on the Delta Airlines website. It's free to join, and once you're enrolled, you'll begin to earn miles on your travels. Step 2. Book flights with Delta or partner airlines. One of the easiest ways to earn SkyMiles is by flying with Delta or its partner airlines. When you book a ticket, make sure to provide your SkyMiles number. Miles are calculated based on the fare you pay, the distance flown, and your flight class. Be mindful of booking as many Delta flights as possible, as these will yield the highest rewards. Step 3. Utilize Delta credit cards. Consider applying for a Delta SkyMiles credit card from American Express. These cards often come with sign-up bonuses, which can give you a significant number of miles up front. You'll also earn miles on every dollar you spend, making it a great option for everyday purchases. Additionally, cardholders often enjoy perks like priority boarding and free checked bags. Step 4. Take advantage of promotions. Delta frequently runs promotions that allow you to earn bonus miles. Subscribe to their newsletter and follow them on social media to stay informed about these limited-time offers. Participating in these promotions can significantly boost your mile balance. Step 5. Shop through the SkyMiles shopping portal. Delta has a shopping portal where you can earn miles by shopping at various retailers. Before making an online purchase, check the SkyMiles shopping website to see if the retailer is listed. Simply click through the portal and you'll earn miles on your purchases. Step 6. Dine with Delta. If you enjoy dining out, consider joining the SkyMiles dining program. You can earn miles when you eat at participating restaurants. Just register your credit card and use it to pay at the restaurant, and you'll automatically earn miles for your meal. Step 7. Rent cars or book hotels. You can also accumulate miles by renting cars or booking hotels through Delta's partners. Check out the SkyMiles program for a list of eligible rental car companies and hotel chains. Make sure to provide your SkyMiles number when making your reservations. Step 8. Refer friends. Delta also has a referral program that rewards you when your friends sign up for SkyMiles and take their first flight. If you have friends who travel frequently, share your referral link with them and earn extra miles for each successful sign-up. Final thoughts. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to earning Delta SkyMiles and enjoying the benefits of flying for free. The key is to be proactive and take advantage of the various earning opportunities available to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy travels!